Hello everyone, it's me, your host Jack, and welcome to another episode from me. Okay, in case you're new here, consider to hit the like button and the subscribe over there so that you don't miss any video out there that I post. So, without further ado, let's dive in and get started. So, if you want to learn how to code, or if you want to learn how to program, one thing that I can tell you is this. Learning to code is a process. It's a gradual process. You don't just get to master the programming techniques or tricks used by senior software engineers just overnight. Okay? So one thing that you have to focus on is this. When you're learning to code or learning to program, it's not about learning the programming language. Yes, you have to learn the programming language out there in order for you to be able to program. But what you're really learning, the actual skill that you're learning, is the ability to take a problem and then translate it into something that a computer understands. And that is universal. The ability to do that is universal. Obviously, you need to be able to program in a particular language, but when learning to code, don't focus on a programming language. Focus on problem solving part. So for that, someone might ask, but Jack, which programming language am I going to learn at first? So there are various programming languages out there. That really depends on your goal. What do you want to achieve? What is the reason why you are learning software engineering or why you are learning coding or programming? So there's no single answer to that. But my recommendation would be Python. Uh, the reason why I recommend Python is this. The first thing is that Python is beginner friendly. You don't get lost like in terms of the syntax. You don't have to, Python is actually a high level programming language. This means that you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management, garbage collection, just like how we do in C or C++. So with Python, apart from being a programming language with simple syntax, Python is actually uh, the most popular and the most widely used programming language in the world right now in the year 2025. And every day, people and big tech companies, they use it to create cool things. They use it in automotive engineering to automate tasks. They use it in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Recently, the rise of machine learning or artificial intelligence has risen. This is because of Python. Most of the code for artificial intelligence and machine learning out there is written in Python. This is why large companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Facebook have embraced this beautiful and powerful programming language. So when we talk about Python, let me give you a quick hint as to why Python is a language for the future. Starting 2025 going up, Python is going to lead the game for as long as AI and machine learning, they're going to be there, which is very true. Yes, they're going to be there. Yeah. So mostly, let me give you an example of an AI model response. For example, ChatGPT. If you ask ChatGPT to write a simple coding task, any task that you might actually think of, and you do not specify which programming language you want that task to be done, by default, ChatGPT is going to use Python. So most of these AI language models, they are more capable to work out Python programming tasks. Yeah. So apart from other than these reasons that I've given you, Python is used in data science. If you want to become a data engineer or a data scientist, definitely you have to learn Python. It is used in scientific computations. If you want to become a scientist, a mathematician, that is a lot of Python that gets to be used in such jobs. If you want to go into penetration testing or ethical hacking, you need to understand Python because most of the Linux hacking tools, they are made in Python. You can use Python to create web applications. For example, Python has this very, very powerful web framework called Django, which we actually call it a web framework for perfectionists with deadlines. So if you want to build an application real quick and very secure, you have to use Django. Okay? So Python has been there for over 30 years, and it has one of the largest communities out there. Whatever you may think of, you may find that someone else already had that problem in Python and they've already worked it out. And it has a huge, 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 huge community. Uh, if you're facing a challenge out there, you go on Stack Overflow, you always find a solution. You go to Python forums. Python is very, 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 very wonderful programming language. So let me give you examples of applications that are built with Python. Google is built off with Python. YouTube is built off with Python. Netflix, Spotify, Reddit, Quora, all these applications are built off with Python. Look at how powerful and amazing this programming language is. So, if you're a beginner, I encourage you to learn the Python programming language because with Python, you can never go wrong. So Python is going to teach you the fundamentals of programming. This is when you're going to understand how programming works and the problem-solving part of software engineering. Then when you're done learning the fundamentals of programming, now you can easily transition to these other languages. For example, if you know the fundamentals of the Python programming language, it's not going to be hard for you to transition to JavaScript or C or C++ or Java, pretty much any programming language. All what is required is the fundamentals of programming. Because these programming languages, 70% of the concepts in programming, they are very similar across programming languages. You've got loops, you've got variables, you've got classes, objects. Pretty much all these things are similar. The only difference is syntactical, how you write them depending on the programming language. Okay, guys, I just wanted to give you just a hint for you to be able to be driven in terms of how you're going to start out. So once more, if you're new here, consider to hit the like button and actually subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm going to be posting more and more and more videos on this my platform. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, guys.